Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to completely demystify Canva's Magic Studio. If you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content you need to produce, or, if you just want to know exactly how artificial intelligence can actually make your daily work easier, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to introduce you to what might just become your ultimate creative assistant. So let's dive right into this by addressing a pretty universal frustration. We have all been there, right? Staring at a completely blank screen, feeling that familiar dread of blank page syndrome. Or maybe you're just exhausted from struggling with overly complex graphic design software that takes literally months to learn. It drains your time, and worse, it completely drains your creativity. Well, what if the design process didn't have to be this crazy multi-app juggling act?
Enter Magic Studio. Now, officially, this is a suite of artificial intelligence tools integrated directly into the Canva platform. But in practice, you should really think of Magic Studio not just as a piece of software, but as a lightning-fast, tireless sidekick. It takes Canva from being your traditional drag-and-drop tool and transforms it into this incredibly intelligent assistant that's ready to execute your ideas and generate totally original content from just a few words of text.
Here's our quick roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Meet your new assistant. 2. The Magic Studio Toolkit. 3. How to use it. 4. The reality check. And finally, 5. The final verdict.
Okay, Section 1. Meet your new assistant. Let's look at the core generative tools you now have at your disposal. First up is Magic Design. You just toss it a prompt, and it instantly generates customized, fully editable design templates for you. Then there's Magic Write. You can think of this as a built-in text generator, much like having ChatGPT sitting right inside your design. It drafts blog posts, summarizes text, or rewrites a paragraph to completely change its tone. And then we have Magic Media, which literally takes your text descriptions and turns them into custom images or even short video clips. Your assistant is essentially tackling the whole shebang, everything from formatting full layouts to writing your very first drafts. But beyond just generating content, this toolkit also handles the truly tedious editing tasks. Magic Edit and Magic Eraser let you literally brush over an object in a photo and either swap it for something else using AI or just completely remove it while it seamlessly fills in the background behind it. Magic Animate applies cohesive, highly professional animations to an entire presentation with a single click. And my personal favorite, Magic Switch, is a true lifesaver. It instantly translates your design into other languages or resizes it for entirely different platforms, like, turning a presentation slide into an Instagram story in seconds. Moving right along to Section 2, how to actually use it. The workflow is honestly incredibly straightforward, mostly because it's embedded right into the standard screen you already know. You just start a project, click the Magic Studio icon, which is usually a little sparkle next to a text box, prompt the AI, refine your results, and export. So the absolute crucial point happens in Step 3. This is where you actually delegate to your assistant. If you're using a tool like text-to-image, you've got to feed it highly descriptive prompts, something like a futuristic city at sunset, cyberpunk style, high detail. You tell it the aspect ratio, the artistic style, hit generate, and boom. The AI goes to work creating completely custom imagery based exactly on your vision. Or, let's say you need a complete design layout fast. You really don't want to build it from scratch. You just pop into Magic Design and give it a direct, simple prompt, like an Instagram post for a summer shoe sale. The AI instantly understands the context, the platform, and the goal, and it builds an editable starting point for you on the spot. Now, this is important. The ideal dynamic you should have with this technology is simple. The AI provides the starting point to cure the blank page, but you retain full creative control. During Step 4, you step back into the driver's seat. The AI gives you options. You pick the best one, and then you use traditional Canva tools to add your specific text, change the colors to match your brand, and really polish that final message. It's a collaboration, not a replacement. All right, time for Section 3, the reality check. Let's start with the positives here. The most significant advantage, without a doubt, is the massive time savings of this all-in-one workflow. The old way meant jumping over to ChatGPT to write your text, booting up Midjourney to generate your images, and then awkwardly dragging all of that into Canva to finally build the layout. The new way with Canva AI means everything happens instantly, right there on one single screen. You stay focused, and you just don't have to juggle 10 different apps to get a project over the finish line. And those benefits really compound over time. There is an incredible ease of use here. By completely removing the technical barriers, you absolutely do not need to know complex software like Photoshop to achieve highly professional photo edits or custom image generation.
Tasks that honestly used to take hours, like resizing a graphic for 10 different social networks, now literally take seconds. And as we mentioned, it cures blank page syndrome instantly by providing immediate, tangible inspiration. However, let's do a reality check, because this isn't flawless magic. First off, there are paywall restrictions. While some basics are free, the heavy hitters, like Magic Switch, Magic Eraser, and high-volume image generation, they're going to require a paid Canva Pro subscription. Second, there are definitely some quality limitations. The image generation is good, for sure, but it's not always as hyper-realistic or controllable as dedicated tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. Also, if you use poor or lazy prompts, your outputs are going to feel incredibly generic and corporate. And finally, you really have to watch out for AI artifacts. The AI still struggles sometimes with complex details, like rendering human hands that actually have exactly 5 fingers, or spelling out intricate text, so you might end up with some accidental, slightly alien-looking glitches if you aren't paying attention.
Which brings us to Section 4, the final verdict.
So what's the bottom line? This suite is ultimately designed to help you punch way above your weight in visual communication. If you are a marketer, an educator, a small business owner, or a content creator, this is essentially the perfect tool to maximize your productivity. It elevates your visual output instantly, completely bypassing the massive budget you'd need to hire a dedicated creative agency. And it saves you the hundreds of hours it takes to learn professional design software. Ultimately, Magic Studio is there to handle the tedious formatting and the basic drafting. Thank you so much for joining this explainer. Now that you've got an assistant handling all that heavy lifting, we really have to ask, what incredible, world-changing ideas are you going to focus on bringing to life now that the blank page is finally obsolete?